See, at the very outset, I must give thanks to the Lord. This is the manifestation that God has revealed when we trust in Him completely. And definitely, as a party, we are really humbled by this overwhelming support, trust and confidence that the people are giving to us. So, this is an indicative of the fact that the people of the state, as I've just said, this is not an ordinary parliamentary election. It is a referendum, a clear verdict that the people of the state have completely lost the confidence of this MDA government. ILP is one of the issues that is included in the manifesto of the party. Article 371 is another issue, and many more. So the party will seriously pursue all those issues which are mentioned in the manifesto with the government of India. Very pertinent question. If the leaders of the MDA still have a self-respect, they should have own moral responsibility and gracefully step down from the government. This election, the result of this election, is an indicative that no one can take the peoples for a ride. As there is an old saying which says that you can fool some people sometime, but you cannot fool all the people all the time. You see, as we have said during our campaign, that our main focus, our fight is against corruption, is against poverty, and against partiality. So our main focus, beside other issues, is corruption. We are going to take the issue of corruption at the national level. We are going to question the government of India, why no EDs, CBI, in the case of Meghalaya, when there are many alleged corruption cases are there in the state of Meghalaya. That is one of the priorities. Arbitrary, as I've said, is against all the ruling parties and all the parties that are there. Because the emergence of the Voice of the People party is due to the fact that the failure of all the existing political parties, including the regional parties. And we have many a time said that one fine day, the Voice of the People party is going to replace the regional party, which we have just done. Today, the result that you have seen today, I think has, speak volume of the fact that VPP is going to replace all the regional parties.